welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in Fortnite a new season begin and chapter 2 season 4, and we are excited to play and we will play one squad match and we will check what all things are back. Okay.
When we're landing,
Doctor
okay,
Doom Domino. Domin.
No, don't do it.
I will always say that.
Doom's domain.
Yeah.
Doom's domain.
Yeah. The mythic item I didn't even use it also. It's very cool. It's very super. It's very powerful.
I don't like it
I
that
know.
much, guys.
Man, I like it actually. I used it like I didn't use it, but I saw in the videos like it's so good actually.
Yeah.
Guys, look at my.
Man, look at this kit. Look at this kit. Look at this kit.
Guys, tactical SMG is back, guys.
Like scope AR. Most of the OG things are back. It's like season 8.
Now Fortnite is a OG.
Yeah, it's like season 8. Okay. Doom's dooming.
Oh!
Good. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Super.
It's a twin jet. It's a twin jet. It's a twin jet.
Yeah, we know.
In the Marvel
like,
movies, I saw that.
Like
This.
Now
like,
Fortnite is like Call of Duty mobile.
but with better graphics and like building on it.
Yeah.
That's why Fortnite.
No, I don't landing in battle.
And a
Bus.
big change in the map is that Yash is gone.
Yash is gone. Oh.
Yeah, it's gone. So bad actually.
Yes, guys.
Everyone try to land here, okay? Everyone try to land here. You will be like Doom.
Now new floppers are there. 39 versions. We'll try. Okay.
Okay, so many people are landing there. Then all over here.
Everyone is landing here.
Oh my
Oh my
god.
god. Please open it, open it.
Guys,
I got
you
pumped.
like this new
Hey, pumps are back.
Please do it like.
Pump me back.
Please, no.
Yeah, pump is back, combat is back, everything is back actually.
No way, guys.
Yes,
That's
actually,
next near me. Guys, please. I want to survive. Okay, guys, pump is back. I got a pump. Come on, come to me now, guys. Come to me.
I got a charge. Charge is one of the worst things.
That's.
I just have an AR only. I don't know what's happening. Something is happening on the outside. Let me see what's happening.
What's that?
Oh my god, I'm having a pistols.
Somebody shooting.
I killed the MG and I killed the MG.
That's me. Bro, I want ammo. I don't have ammo. Please give me.
I got a pump.
I killed him and you took that.
The store
I don't have any
good.
I don't have any weapons.
Take this.
I take the this thing. Take the bandage.
Guys, I got a golden combat.
Oh good.
Oh my god, it's very good.
My favorite weapon is combat weapon. Combat is actually one of the biggest OG things. Yeah, like attack is actually gone, which is very sad.
Attack is good.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, attack is gone. It's my
Guys,
favorite.
yesterday we were planning for season 4 not only company. I said that tag should never go, but tag
Someone is there.
But actually, we got combat weapon. That's the biggest thing. Now combat
Hey,
it will be like.
Oh my god, someone is here, man. Someone is here.
Hey, I got that mythic.
Hey,
I got that
bro.
mythic things. I got every mythic things. I got that every mythic things.
Yeah, just use it.
Bro, where are you?
Hey, kill this guy. This guy is really low.
I got
This guy is really
Scarlet.
low.
I got Scarlet.
Bro, it's Star, not Scarel. No, man. Bro, bachelor also people is there. Bachelor also, okay?
I killed
That
it.
is Dr. Doom. That is Dr. Doom. That is henchman. Oh my god, what's
Oh my
happening?
god.
Oh my god, it's Psych.
Bro, even.
Okay.
Hey, can you revive me? Revive me.
Revive.
Bandage buff from the
I will also revive.
bandage buff. Aisham, come here. Take this combat. Take this blue combat.
Bro,
Oh,
really?
good.
Okay. I want the AR. I want to take it.
Boogie bombs are best. Boogie bombs.
Anybody have
So
medikit?
fun to-
Anybody have medikit? Hey,
Yeah,
come.
yeah.
Austin, put
I
boogie bomb.
know.
Austin, put boogie bomb.
Come.
Austin, put boogie
See
bomb.
guys, everyone come to me. Everyone come to me. Everyone come to me. Everyone come in the box. Everyone come in the box.
Okay.
Da, 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 da.
Okay, put.
See
Oh,
this?
man.
See this? Da 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 da.
It's too
Do
good.
it more, guys.
Anybody have medikit? Anybody?
Okay.
Hey, me.
Yeah, yeah.
For me. Okay. I have this. Okay. Dr. Boom key card.
No, I know that.
I also know. Everybody know, man.
Yeah.
Everybody know that.
Bro,
And fought the fourth time. This season is actually one of my favorite seasons. In chapter 2. What?
What?
this combat is super overpowered, guys.
Hey, how Prasanna?
I said,
Why are you full time no? Every time?
because I am not a bot.
We know you are not a bot. You are a noob, right? I simply told. Okay.
Exactly,
Oh, no,
guys.
this one. Actually, one shot. Arvind, revive me.
Yeah.
Arvind, revive me first.
I'll
Revive
do
me,
it.
someone revive him.
Arvind.
Does anyone have some, this is...
Hey,
Alright.
Prasanna.
Man! What the heck, man? Prasanna, what?
Full
There's
time
no way
doing.
change. Ah.
Bro, how
Someone
much
give me
is
something
it?
to eat.
Actually, the pump is very awesome.
I can't do this. Please.
Just drop it.
I don't have any shield. Hey, come. Let's drop that thing. Hey, let's go and open that vault. Come fast.
Yeah.
Hey, what is the use
Yeah.
of this? Oh my god.
Okay, come. Where's the vault? How do I need the
fast.
vault?
Here. Come here, guys. Guys, come here. Vault is
Actually,
here.
Pressure Park is one of the most dangerous
Hey, go
places
and
right now.
open.
It will
Go
be
and
so
open, go and
stacked in, like, it will be so stacked in, like, the games. Like,
Oh my god. Prasanna, go and open.
Guys, I don't have the this thing.
Yeah, I'm having. I'm
Then go and open.
And this season, actually, all the content creators have so much things to do. Guys, this Vault has the okay, this is like pushing guns, so it is actually...
Man,
Where
too
is it?
nice. Hey, if anybody need more, take this. Light machine guns are back, and I love that thing.
Just give me some shield, okay? Okay, everyone take shield. I'm not asking for this. Oh my god, tactical SMG.
Combat. Rifles, car.
It's so
Man,
great, guys.
hey, I need minis, okay. Hey, anybody need any mythic item? I will take only one. If you
Yeah.
want, you can take anyone. No.
Guys,
Hey,
shop your grenade.
Yeah, software grenade.
who is
Oh
that?
my god, what the? What?
Bro, don't do this. It's a big what is it? Explosion.
Exploit. Man, look at this.
Hey,
I have the...
anybody will take that charge? Anybody will take charge? No.
No.
No way.
No. This season, who will take charge?
I-
Guys, zone. Stop him.
Oh my god, anybody have any healables? Hey, chopper is there. Chopper is there. Come fast.
No.
Okay, me too. Take me.
Austin, land! You Austin, land it!
Oh my god, man, you're not our guys, listen. Okay, go.
Sorry guys, I was not...
My god.
Austin,
Go.
You cannot do bandit.
Take it. Oh,
one best thing.
Very
Take
good.
it.
Thanks, bro. Thanks. Arvind, thanks.
okay. Yeah, I just take the badge. Okay, not ready.
Hey, look at the rock, it's so small right
Guys, the
Oh
map
my
is-
god.
Oh my god.
Guys, the map is very light color. Map.
Right, take it.
guys, let's...
Oh my god, man, what the hell did he do?
Thank you so much,
explore
bro.
this.
Okay, take it.
Why it's not going? Oh my
Stop
god.
it.
Bro, kill. Okay, thank you so much.
Hey, what is that? What is that?
Thanks.
What is that?
Yeah.
What is this? What is
That's the
this?
Iron Man robot.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
for the Sendil, graveyard. I don't know which place is this, but it's actually good, I think so.
It's like
We
so
cannot
strong.
break it, we
So
cannot
strong.
You cannot break this?
Hey, oh my god, there's a photo fort and like, my god. What the hell has happened?
There is a photo fort.
I think we are not people here.
Yes. Guys, who built this? Who built the
Hey,
photo
why
fort?
man?
It's like
Oh, man.
Guys, I'm a chapter 2 season 2 player, so I don't know anything about this. Don't think bad.
Yeah, he's not OG. He's GG.
I am GG.
Oi. Oh my god. This is so strong, man.
Guys,
This is
look
so
at this.
strong.
This is a photo fort. Actually, see this.
Guys, some pro players will say they are OG. Then we will say we are GG. Thug.
We are chapter 2 GG players.
Made by Hab Gamers only.
Okay,
guys,
guys.
you can see this.
You want to
This is
get out
too
of there?
nice,
or-
right? Guys, this is too nice. I like it.
Everyone come to me. Everyone come to me. Everyone come to me.
Oh my god! Oh my
Ah,
god!
that thing. Oh my god. That's so overpowered. That's so overpowered.
Bro, what was
Guys,
it?
I'm
Which
going.
one? Which one?
I got fall damage.
bro.
I got fall damage.
Come here. I'll give you a bandage bazooka.
Hey, please. Okay, okay. Arvin. I mean,
Yeah.
Anyone want? I want air ammo. Please give me.
Come, come, come,
fly,
come,
man.
come.
Fly, fly.
Come.
I have just 30
Come,
air
give me,
ammo.
give me.
I
Give,
have
give,
just
give.
30 air ammo.
Okay?
Hey guys, people.
Thanks, bro. Thanks a lot.
People say. Oh my god. What?
Where are the people? I can't see.
Oh my god! He's on X Games mode.
My dad. Oh my god.
No,
Very good,
no,
very good,
no.
guys. Very good, guys.
Huh?
Kill him. No.
Oh my.
Hey guys, he's solo. Revive me. Isham, revive me. Fast.
Revive.
Take my reboot card. My reboot card.
Hey, Deagle is back. That's Deagle, right? Or double barrel.
Bro, can you reboot me in? Yeah.
Wait, okay. No, man, we cannot.
It's a revolver.
Revolver?
Bro, reboot.
Yeah.
Sorry, Prasanna.
Call the remote card.
Beeping is in zone.
There's a reboot card.
Yeah, snap you also.
Ah, okay.
Very good.
In my map, it was not showing.
I need a shit
Double
button.
barrel is. It's good?
Yeah, actually, it's very good.
Hey, pump
Nice,
is back, okay. Pump is too good. But I will not take. I like combat.
Hey, do you need this? So very good.
I think I should take combat right now because
Oh my god. Shockwave is back.
Guys, take the chopper and go.
Yeah. Let's go.
Come.
Bro, carry any weapon for me.
Oh
please?
my god, zone is coming. Hey, everybody come here and jump.
There's a chopper.
Oh,
Chopper is in zone. Man, light
Yes, everyone
is
go to
too
VP.
good. I like it.
Everyone go to VP.
Oh,
Yeah, I think. Arvind, don't stuck in the tree.
I'm not going to suck that tree. I am going to do this. Oh my god. You're right. I will just dance
AJ
here.
is successful.
Yeah, I recently reboot my finish.
That people there, man.
Austin, can you give me any weapon? Can you give me a scar?
I'll give you the tactical SMG, okay?
Yeah, he's a good
combat at least. Okay, no problem.
Take this and take this boat.
Where are you guys? What? Why is he only giving 9 damage?
Man, you cannot use it in wrong range.
I knocked him.
I don't have
What
any
the-
healables.
Now time to drink. Let's go, boys. Hey, I want the loot. Toxic, give me the loot, please.
Oh my god, it's an X Games mode.
Bro, blue come. Thank you so much.
Come.
Yeah, that's
Wait,
also from here too.
First.
I think we are
Hey,
not going to like.
if anybody you can take, okay. If anyone want, you can take.
I am mad actually. Should I take combat or pump? I am getting angry.
Bro, anyone?
Take the combat because I killed one guy with the combat.
So he should take combat.
Okay. Someone wants.
Yeah,
pump?
take the combat.
Bro, give me combat. I want the combat.
Oh my! Someone is having a laser.
What?
I knocked one guy.
Come back.
You guys here?
I can do. Go, let's go. Come.
Come. Don't go for the loot.
I put an auto run. No worries for me.
Me too. I can fly.
Ha! This guy is hacking.
Do you have any shield?
No use. We are going to slurp this
Like
one.
arrow.
So no need of shield.
I don't have any shield.
People.
Guys, I think
I
it's
saw
a
him.
victory royale match for us.
Somebody's there.
Yeah,
But
someone
yes,
just
yes,
launch padded. I think so. They're launch padded.
Hey, in this launchpad is not there now.
Yeah, man, this
I
is.
don't know. How did it survive? Right?
Yeah, there is other
The
mythic
water.
something. I saw on
That's a
YouTube.
mythic to put that. Yeah. You can play it. You can play.
Yeah.
It's like last season grappler, but very
Take
good.
the. I need that.
Hey,
Hey,
break
come on,
that.
let's go to break the laptop. I killed that guy. Very good.
Coming to
Oh my god,
place,
I got my
you
favorite.
sure.
Oh my god, guys, I got the bouncer. I got bouncer pad.
Round the Scarman, please.
Hey, now charge is very trash. I don't know why.
But I have 6 this thing. Charge. Who will take this season?
Hey, come to here. If you want the slap truck. Come.
Yeah, we all want it.
Hey, no, don't break it. Don't break it.
Come, man, come. Just no.
Cool.
Oh, wow, very good.
Finish.
That's like a, oh my god.
Tata.
Bye, guys. Bye.
You guys are bad,
Okay.
bad from hard game.
Dr. Doom. boom.
Stop.
We are going to break. What the heck?
But this thing
Right.
did not take that much damage.
Oh yeah.
Hey, who's that?
It's me, man. I just breaking the build because someone is there.
Yes, that's people.
Oh my god.
That is people.
Hey, we will not get
I
full
told you,
damage
yeah.
Oh
in.
my god.
If we take this thing and we will not get full damage. I don't know why.
Guys.
35 damage.
Oh my god.
35 damage.
Nice.
Nice. Holy. There's 2 more people alive. 1 more person alive.
Oh my god. First match itself.
Guys, look at this gun.
Gun. Oh my god, this AR is super. This AR. is very
In
good.
Call of Duty Warzone,
Hey, look
right,
at this.
it will
Hey,
take
look
a
at
lot
this.
of time to
People.
reload this. Light SMG. It will take a lot of time.
Guys, look at this. This is very good. This is a
Yeah.
good ammo.
Give.
This is a good gun.
Please drop it. Arvind.
That is Iron Man.
AJ,
That is
please
Iron
drop
Man.
it. Please
Iron
drop
Man.
it. Arvind, I'll give you right now. Please drop it. Drop.
Take
Wait,
it.
okay. I'll just check. Oh, what is this?
Bro, I think we are carrying. Holy, bro.
Arvind, you can take.
Who was this?
Yeah, take it.
Who was that?
It's okay.
It's a very good. It's very good.
Yeah, it's very good, man. I eliminated one guy with this.
Oh my god.
This is
Hey,
very
someone
good.
is
This is very
coming.
good.
Someone is coming. I'm
It's
out
OP.
of Hydra 16.
Yeah. Okay. Who is there? Show your
who's that?
strength.
Who's
Back
that?
off us. Back off us.
Where? Please mark.
No, but I can see the the symbol, but I cannot
Yeah,
see.
visual sound effect. Right? Yeah, I saw.
Man, they buffed it. Oh my god, guys.
Come on. Let's fight them.
Guys, here war is going on.
Oh yes.
my
Let's
God.
go.
Oh, boys.
Oh my god, this guy had this thing. What's this thing? Oh my god, look at this, guys. This is a
I'm so
similar-
happy. Fortnite is back,
There's
guys.
another.
What again? Let's go.
And guys, if you like our video,
There's another mythic. There's another mythic thing.
Arvin. Hey guys, if you like our video, please share,
Comment,
like
subscribe,
and comment.
hit the like button, guys.